What is up, YouTube? In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to get a broker and how to set up MetaTrader so you can start trading. So that's pretty much gonna be basics. I'm also gonna show you how to set up a demo account if you want to start practicing, as well as setting up your live account. So how to get your broker account, how to basically get money deposited into there. I'm gonna go over all that in this video. So let's go ahead and jump to the computer. All right, guys, to start trading Forex, you're gonna need two things. One, you're gonna need a broker, and then two, you're gonna need MetaTrader. So for most people, I personally input all of my trades on my phone. So you're gonna want to go to your app store and look for the MetaTrader app. It's just MetaTrader 4, META, and then number 4 should pop up. I will also show you guys. We can just go to, let's just type in MetaTrader 4 so you guys can see. All right, so it's gonna look like this. Here's a symbol for MetaTrader 4. So go ahead and get that on your cell phone, and I'm gonna show you how to do the broker. So I personally use OspreyFX. That's who I'm gonna recommend using. It's super simple to sign up. So you're just gonna click the sign up right here. It's gonna just ask for your email, password, name, all that information, and also you're gonna have to do an it's called KNC, and that stands for Know Your Client, and it's just a verification thing you have to go through, so they can verify you are a real human being. And also, so when you try to deposit or withdraw money, you're verified. So if you're not verified, then you will not be able to deposit or withdraw. So just go through this basic process, super self-explanatory. And then, like I said, it's going to get to KYC, know your client, and then just go through that verification process. You're going to need like your ID, maybe a bill or bank statement. I'm not sure if you need both, but I know for sure you'll need your ID. And that usually verifies within about 10 minutes and you're good to go. So once you're set up here, I will show you guys what it looks like once you're logged in. So let me go ahead and log into my account, and I'll show you guys what you'll see once you're logged in. All right, guys, so this is what you'll see when you first log into your account. It's gonna look just like this. Balance will actually say 0, of course. Here's the KYC area, and you're just gonna click here, and you just need to verify information. Might as well, you're gonna say your KYC is approved. You're also going to need to go to your settings, and it's gonna require you to do a 2-factor authentication. And you want to enable that as well, just for security purposes, but you have to actually do that. They require it. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is basically get money to the broker, and then from the broker, you got to put the broker to the MetaTrader account. So to get money to your broker, you're going to deposit using from a Bitcoin wallet. So if you're probably like, okay, I don't know what Bitcoin is or crypto is. Anyway, all you need to do is download Cash App. And what I'll do is I'll go ahead and flip the camera. I'll go to my actual camera real quick so you guys can see what it looks like. All right, guys. So what you're going to want to do is go to Cash App. Let me open the Cash App. Okay, so Cash App is open. Then you want to go to where the B is down there. And so there's the B. Okay. So you want to click buy. And then click the ... enter the amount of money you want to buy in Bitcoin. So let's say you want to deposit $500 or $100 into your broker account, then you're gonna buy that much worth of Bitcoin. Now you do want to buy a little bit over because there's some type of fees. Like when you first purchase, let's see, like if I purchase $100 worth of Bitcoin, let's see how much it's gonna cost. Okay, so if I purchase $100 worth of Bitcoin, you can see the fee. I don't know if you guys can see that, but anyways, it says fee is $2.26. So my Bitcoin balance is gonna be $97.74. So with that being said, let me actually zoom in some too. With that being said, if you want $100 in your broker account, you want to at least buy like $110 or $105 worth of Bitcoin, so you can have the ending balance of $100 in your broker account. So once you've purchased that amount of Bitcoin, and I'll go ahead and do it just to show you guys, and I'm gonna just buy actually like $50 worth of Bitcoin for demonstration purposes. Cool. All right, confirm. Okay, so I just purchased the Bitcoin straight off of Cash App. You can also use the app called website called Coinbase. So you guys can see my balance is now $48.89. So it took $2 in fees or whatever. So the next part is we're gonna go back to the computer, and we'll continue this. So give me 1 second. All right, guys. So you have Cash App. You figured out how to buy Bitcoin. So next thing, to get the money in here, you want to click deposit. You can click, you're depositing through Bitcoin. Select the wallet. You want to do USD or whatever country you're from, and the amount you're depositing. So I want to deposit $50 to my account. So now it's going to redirect me to the payments page. All right, so now from your Cash App app, you're gonna open up your Bitcoin and you're gonna use the arrow on the Bitcoin app, and I'll actually show you guys this again. You're gonna use your camera and you're gonna scan this and then click send. It's gonna send this QR code. Make sure that your Bitcoin sends exactly to this wallet. So let me show you guys on the camera. All right, guys. So you guys can see the screen with the QR code. Now we're gonna want to. We have the Bitcoin. We're gonna click the arrow, click send, and we're gonna click $50. Now I don't have 50, so I'm gonna just say for example purposes, we're gonna send 45. Now you do want the amounts to be exact. So if you purchasing $45 on depositing $45, if that's what you entered in your broker, then do the same thing over here. So once you click send, and it's the right amount, you can click this little corner, and now you're gonna take your phone, scan the app. Okay, you have to confirm your PIN. And then you can see right now, it says priority, rush, standard, always do priority, next, and then it's gonna be confirmed. Normally takes up to 30 minutes for it to be deposited into your wallet, and I'll show you the next step. All right, guys, so next, so you guys just seen that. So let's just say, let's go to deposits. You guys can see some of my past deposits. Okay, so you can see some deposits here. I didn't confirm this $50 one, so nothing's gonna go through. But the amount, and then it confirms over here. This amount, reason why it's different is because, like I said, I want to deposit this much, but through Bitcoin fees, this is how much arrive when you send it. So anyway, once you have funds deposited, let's say it's going to pop up right here. So for my purposes, let's say this said $50, but we're just going to go to 19 cents. So now you need to get the money from here to your actual MetaTrader account so you can trade. To do that first, you're going to need to open up an account. So you just go to accounts. You're going to click OspreyFX MT4 ESN. Or if you want to do a demo account, OspreyFX MT4 demo. So let's go ahead and do a demo account. So we want to open a demo account. We're going to choose a leverage. So remember that leverage is the ability to trade with the like the broker's money and not just your own. So the 500 leverage is the highest you can go. That means for every dollar you have, trade with $500 of theirs. So let's just choose the highest leverage. And then for your demo account, I would choose an amount that you're going to start off your real account with. So do something realistic. So say if you want to deposit $1,000 in your real account, we're just going to click create account. I think it might pop up there. But anyway, your demo account is now created. So no worries there. Go to your email that you signed up with OspreyFX. It's going to send you some login details, right? So once you have your login details, I'm going to show you how to sign in on your phone. So let me jump back to my camera. All right, guys. So hopefully now you have the MetaTrader app, and I'm gonna back out and find it so you guys can see exactly what it looks like. I have an iPhone. I have so many apps, way too many apps. Let me see if I can even find it. Where is it at? Oh, here we go. So the MetaTrader app, you guys should be able to see it. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. Anyway, right beside the orange app. Click it, open it. Should look something like this. You'll have less because you have to add these different currency pairs. So I have a lot. Anyway, go to settings, which is on the end, and then you'll click new account. So new account, and then you'll click open or log into existing account. And then you're gonna type in, look for your broker. So mine's already popped up, so look for Osprey. And if it's a demo account, you wanna put Osprey FX demo, which is popping up right there. And then log in with your details, okay? So log in with the details in the email. Okay, so boom, now you're logged in with your details. Now let's just get back to the part where we have to get the money from the broker account to your MetaTrader account. MetaTrader is a trading platform. Broker is what's allowing you, like basically the broker you're going through with doing the trading for, but the MetaTrader is the actual trading platform where you input all your trades, if that makes sense. Anyway, so say now we have a balance here that we deposited and we need to get it into our account. So I just showed you guys how to create an account. So once again, you're going to go here and create as many accounts as you want to. A real account is going to be this one, OspreyFX MT4 ESN. And I'll go ahead and create another one just for you guys' sake. And I'm going to do, this is a real live account. All right, cool. So now We're gonna go to transfers, transfer type. So from wallet, so your broker is your wallet. So you're gonna have a balance here. Let's say from wallet, okay. Transfer from USD to our new account. And let's just say we want to transfer. The max we would have be able to transfer is 19 cents. So let's just say we're gonna trade 19. We're gonna transfer 19 cents. All right, cool. So now when I sign into the MetaTrader app, it's gonna have a balance there of 19 cents. You can see it says 0 here. Now what about once you have money? So you can see this balance right here. It says $10,855, right? So if I wanted to move this money from my MetaTrader account to this, I would go like this. So once again, transfer. And I would go from MetaTrader to wallet, okay? So MetaTrader, I'm gonna transfer from this balance that has some money in it. I wanna transfer in USD, and I'm gonna take $100. So $100 transfer, and it does it pretty quickly, pretty much immediately. Okay, boom. So now you see $100 here, right? Say I want to withdraw this $100. I want to actually have it in my bank account. So the steps you do to get it back in your bank account is the same way you do to actually fund your account. So you're going to click withdraw. Same process you did to fund it. Bitcoin. Wallet. And then amount in USD. So I'll put $100 and I'm gonna put request and I'm gonna send it to my Bitcoin wallet. And then once I want to take it from Bitcoin, I gotta sell the Bitcoin and then now I have cash. I know it might seem like a complicated process, but it's actually pretty quick. I know it does seem like a lot of steps, but it's really not that bad. But now, just for this sake, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna do another transfer, and I'm gonna take this $100 I just took out, and I'm gonna put it into that new account I just created with the 19 cents. So I'm gonna transfer to there. We're gonna transfer $100. And this will actually be the account. I'm going to do a $100 challenge where I take $100 and try to turn it into like 5. So this is what the money we'll use to fund that. And so now this says 0 again. So fairly simple, guys. Now we're going to go over to the phone and I will show you guys how to input trades like on your cell phone. So let me go ahead and get to my phone and I'll show you guys that. First, we're gonna go to our email. So whatever email you use to create your OspreyFX broker account is where whenever you create a new account, whether it be a demo or real account, it's gonna send you your password info to your email. So it says new demo account MetaTrader created. So we're gonna click right here, and right here is gonna be your password. So this is a demo account, so I really could care less if you guys have the information. But demo account number, trader password. So we're just gonna copy this, and then when we go to MetaTrader, go to demo, log in, and then it's gonna open you up. I'm not actually gonna do it because I want to stay signed into my existing account right now. And so you're gonna see a few currency pairs, but they're not all gonna be here. So whatever ones you actually want to trade, you're gonna find them this way. So once again, click plus. If you want to trade crypto, you're gonna go find Bitcoin. It's not gonna be here for me because it's already in my options. But if Bitcoin, say this was Bitcoin right here, I would just click the plus sign and click done, and then boom, it'll pop up here. Now for this sake, Bitcoin is already on here, so I'm not gonna do anything, and I will show you guys how to place a trade. And so I'm actually not even gonna analyze the market right now. I'm just gonna place a trade just for demo purposes on my real account. But I'm gonna place a real small lot size. Smallest one you can do is a 0.01, which represents 10 cents a pip. If you're not familiar with pips and stuff yet, you should not be trading because that is essential. So this is called your lot size right here. Once again, this means how much money you'll make per pip movement. Now, if this doesn't make sense, once again, open up a broker account is not going to help you. None of that. You need to learn how to actually learn the terms of Forex and trading, so this makes sense to you, so you can actually know what you're doing, not just gambling your money. So I'm going to play with a 0.1 lot size, market execution, which just means I want to purchase right now where the market is. Now, if you didn't want to, you could do a buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. Okay, cool. So a stop loss, take profit. Hopefully you know what that means. Stop loss obviously means that you're predicting, basically, obviously trading is speculation, right? You're thinking the market's going to go one direction. So if I go for a buy, I'm thinking the market's going to go up, right? So it means my stop loss, I might put it a little bit below where I'm buying in at, just in case the market goes a different direction, I don't lose too much money. Because just as you can make money, you can lose it, right? So if I choose my lot size and I choose for a buy, but the market sells, if I don't have a stop loss, balance could go, you know, that position got to start real negative, and you want to cut your losses before it's too late, right? So you can put a stop loss. Y'all can also put a take profit, which means that, okay, you've done your analysis. You think the market is going to go to X, Y, and Z. So now, say the market right now is at 72.81. I'm predicting the market is going to go to 75.89. All right, so I will put my take profit there, and it will automatically take me out the trade and capture profit at that number. But whatever, let's just say that we want to go ahead and buy the market. All right, so right now you guys can see I am negative 14 cents. And this is how you place the trade. So you can see right now, balance, equity, margin, and use, all that good stuff. Say this position is now in profit, or I just want to go ahead and take a loss, right? So what I would do is I would click the plus sign and then click close with loss. That's 3 cents. So boom, that position is closed. I either made money or I lost money. You can see your trade history. You can see the charts. I don't really like looking at charts on here. I prefer to use TradingView on my computer. So most people are going to mark up on their computer and then place their entries and stuff on their phone. But that's as simple as it is, guys. It's how you place a trade, whatever pairs you want to do. Like I said, you want to trade Bitcoin, you click Bitcoin and go for a sell or buy. You know, once again, choose your lot size and then sell or buy the market based off of your analysis. Hopefully this video helps, guys. Once again, do practice with the demo account before you try to go to your real account. Or else you will lose a lot of money, because trading is no joke. But